Okay. I'm Nina from the online car auction, and today we're going to jumpstart a vehicle. So if you're going to jump a car, you're going to have a tool of some sort, and this is the tool that you need. Jumper cables and a battery. Jump box. Okay, so now that we have located said vehicle we are going to jump, let me show you how. First, we have to open the hood, which you have to locate the handy dandy hood locator, whatever.
You know what we're saying.
Yeah. The button. Gotta open up the hood. Those are always fun and tricky. All right, next you will locate the battery. Sometimes the battery can be in different places in the car, so you have to locate it. Let's see, we've got one right here. We've got a red, we've got a black. Should coordinate with our red and black jumper cables here. Move this closer. Now, the key is that you don't ever want these to touch, because they do provide electricity and they will shock you. And this is totally not the way you should hold them. Don't listen. All right, red goes with red. You're gonna put it on the metal part, try to make it as sturdy as possible so it doesn't fall off. And then you put the black with the black, negative, positives, match those up as much as you can. And you grab your keys. It might take a moment, might leave it on there for just a minute. Some lights should pop up. So you're gonna stick the key in the ignition. And there you go. You just jump started a vehicle. You should know. If you happen to drive a BMW, your battery may not look like the other models of some of the more American type vehicles. So you're gonna have to do a little seek and find. See, we've got our positive charge right here, and then all the way over here, we've got our negative charge. So we're gonna put our red on the positive, accentuating the positive. If it'll reach, we shall see. Ugh. Well, might have to maneuver this a little bit. Not sure our jumper cables are long enough. It helps to have the proper tools. It also helps if you speak like a sailor when you're working on vehicles. Get the energy out. The frustration. Ah, but see, we have long enough jumper cables, so we are doing that. I don't think that's how you jumpstart a car.